hello everyone. I'm Srujana and I'm the president of COFFEE, which is the Commerce Organization for Emerging Entrepreneurs. And this is our college, St. Francis College for Women. And this year we are organizing not just our club's fest, but it's a combined fest where all the clubs together are working together and bringing about the theme, which is Converge, Redefine, Soar. Coming together is what we call converging, and all the clubs are redefining their own fest into one fest, which is Celebrate. And we are and the Soar defines the fly and the rise that we can see here. As our fest has been pretty successful. That's what we feel right now. And we've had our sponsors as Page 3, Idea, and you've seen our event sponsors as Flaunt, Samsung, Whooplers. They've sponsored most of our events, and we have about 25 events including science, arts, management and commerce, and the response has been pretty good. This year there has been a change. We've tried to make it pre-registration and not on the spot. We thought the turnout would be pretty low, but we can see that there are a lot of people coming in. There are about 3,000 to 4,000 people there. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good fest. Okay, the challenge that we faced this time is the pre-registration. We had to go to colleges not just for publicity, but also sell tickets. We had to give them the passes also for events. If they had to take part in one event, they have to buy the ticket then and there. So that's how it worked. That was a pretty big challenge. And so what we did is we had registration counters in our college also. So people from different colleges used to come down to our college during college hours to buy the tickets, and we sold tickets like that. And all the tickets are mostly the event-based tickets, and people have participated really well. We'll see what happens, who will be the winners for most of the events. I think every student should be a part of one of the clubs in the college, because you will learn, the main important thing that you learn is crisis management. That is what me and our team, me and Tripti, she is the vice president. We both are not vice or the president, we both are like equal, and we worked like crazy for this event, and only we know what crisis management actually is. We are still facing it now. I think every event will have ups and downs, and what you learn is how to manage what goes wrong. They've supported us throughout. Yesterday actually we had to stay back in college till 12 to finish all the work, and our principal, our vice principal and our dean, they stayed back till we went back home. It has never happened that we stayed back so late and teachers also stayed back with us. This time it has happened, and we are happy that it did happen.